I'm Glenn Granberry. I live here in Auburn, Alabama, and I'm pursuing my Master's in Science in Information Systems. I graduated from Auburn in '94 with a mechanical engineering degree. I guess with my 25 years of experience in IT coming into this program, it's been exciting for me to work with some younger individuals who don't have a lot of experience, be able to share some of my knowledge with them, but at the same time, learn some things along the way. It reinforces some of my skill sets. Having to use my knowledge to kind of interpret some of the things that are taught in the classroom, and then be able to bounce that off of other students that don't have the same experience that I do, has been very rewarding. I've got a lot of people that work underneath me that have been recent graduates in either the computer science or management information systems as undergrads. And so me not being in the classroom, not having that experience for the last 25 years, I thought it would be helpful for me to gain some current knowledge, some current standards to be able to better communicate and work with some of the people that report underneath me.